This is the one-day forecast for the S&P 500 for the day of Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022, and it's currently the 21st of February, 10 p.m., and that's February 2022. All right, so we have sort of like a sideways fluidity for an overall theme in the morning. This is also on the monthly spread a significant opportunity to cash in, so I believe we'll see a notable bottom. Probably we'll revisit a bottom that we had on Friday, or deeper, but we're going to see a bottom here, and then we have moving higher out of that low, that early morning low. There's a move to the upside, a big move out of the low. Alright, so in the pre-market trade opportunity, we're at a day's low. Right around the open, we have that same trade opportunity indication, and that's a sharp, there's a sharp dip within a period of volatility there at the open. And then in the first half hour or so, we reach a bottom probably around, let's say like 10 o'clock, maybe like 9:55 or so, and then we push higher, and that's a significant move to the upside, and also a trade opportunity there. It looks like we have a high, and that big push higher is between roughly 10 and 11 o'clock. Looks like it starts around 10 o'clock, somewhere in there. We do have selling from a overbought location on the RSI, between 10ish and 11, between 11ish and 12ish, and that's sellings from a peak where the RSI is relatively overbought. Looks like we have a sharp dip from that overbought locale. We have some more backwards sideways fluidity here. Between 12 and 1, and that's an opportunity to position oneself on both sides of the market if they chose to. Now, in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, we have a push higher, roughly 1 to 2 o'clock. Looks like we have a high there. We have a high there around 215-ish. Also a trade opportunity there. And we have some selling, something regarding a male leader, ruler of nations, between 2 and 3 is highlighted, and we have some selling down to a support level from a peak, but then through that support level, but then back up above that support level, and then we have bumping up along resistance with the Valor card in the last hour, a pop up through a resistance followed by to stay above that resistance briefly. And then we have the a drop back down through that same price level, so it makes kind of like an A, if you will. There's the price level and then the movement of the S&P. And then we have a notable move. It looks like higher, a continuation of the Valor card. In the post-market behavior around the high, I'm advised to be prudent around the highs. There's sharp dip from those highs. Generally speaking, that's near overbought but not quite, and there's sharp dips off of that through a significant support level. And then we have a U or a J-shaped dip to reach the low for the day. It does appear that we have another low the following day, if not a lower low, and a trade opportunity as well. And there you have it. That's S&P 500 for February 22nd, 2022, guys. Let me know how this helps. Love to hear your stories, what you're doing. Yo, if you're making money, the guys out there making money, yo, post. Let's see it. I want to see what you guys are doing. It's really exciting when I see that I'm helping people. And let's spread the word, guys, because for me, it's really not about money. Obviously, this is free. For me, it's about spreading the word that anything is possible, so we can stuff it down all of the experts' throats, the ones who think that you can't do shit. You can do whatever you want, my friends. You can do or be anybody if you figure out with your mind how to do it. That's all, folks. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you all later.